Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Cork Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. This one's fitted with the 8-speed automatic and has a little over 8,000 miles on it. Try to get some of this snow off. All your SRT mats. Has an aftermarket diffuser on it. Nice sticky tires. It is absolutely awesome. Destroyer Gray is the color name. Take a peek under that hood, where all the magic happens. There she is, the 6.2 liter supercharged V8 producing 707 horsepower, but today we're only producing 500. Mainly because it's like 32 degrees out, and as you can see, it snowed yesterday. And we're on summer tires. You know, yay, fun! Which means grip is a thing that doesn't exist today. With the automatic, you get remote start, so you could just sit there and listen to your car start all the time. Something I would do. Demonic red seats. All of your manuals. All your drive mode supplements. All the books and manuals are with the car. This SRT badge. Destroyer Gray is a killer color combo. I'll show the backup camera. There we go. Looks like it has an aftermarket screen protector, which I am a huge fan of. Right. Into SRT modes. With the black key, you are limited to 500 horsepower. Oh, only 500. You do have all your different options. I believe you can't activate. Well, you can. So you can do launch control with the black key, which is actually pretty cool. Disable that. I'm not gonna do launch control in a dealer car. That's just a recipe, especially on summer tires today. That's just a recipe for disaster. Don't want to pull a Doug DeMuro. That wouldn't be fun. But I mean, honestly, this car... Oh, look at that! It's an aftermarket wireless charger. Ooh. Actually, it might be a factory option. All your different timers. Yeah, we'll leave it on that. Let's go for a drive now. As stated before, not going to be pushing the car today. Took the black key just because it's that slick out here. There's still some black ice on the roads, melting snow, and just all in all, not great conditions. Even though they just hooked up pretty well for the conditions. Personally, I drive a 2019 Challenger TA 392, so of course I'm very, very familiar with the platform. This is that car to 5 other levels. You know, just put a supercharger on a 6.4 and you basically have a Hellcat. They started with the 6.4 liter V8, and once they forged everything, increased thicknesses, and made the engine suitable for 707 horsepower, it was brought down to 6.2 liters. I've always been a fan of manuals. This is kind of a test drive experience for me because I'm considering buying a Hellcat, as long as my parents let me. Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom. Please let me buy one. I mean, this thing is just absolutely phenomenal. Even in what the frig? Whee! It's actually hooking up a lot better than I thought. It's getting a little bit warmer, and I already did this loop once. What I like to do is I like to drive the car on the loop first, make sure that everything's all sorted. You know, it's basically like doing sightseeing laps on a track and then going out and recording. I like to make sure there's no road work or anything of the sort. Turn the defroster on just because it's starting to fog up. It's funny looking at people's faces when you drive one of these cars on days like today. It's like, why is the Hellcat out? Yeah, there we lost grip. It's like a symphony. I mean, you got the supercharger whine up front and the nice exhaust tone from the rear. Like, I would pay good money for this concert. And the 8-speed's just phenomenal. Honestly, if I were to buy a Hellcat, I think it would be in the automatic. It's just that good. Freaking snow falling off the trees. I call this the Snowcat. Yeah. I mean, come on, guys. This Hellcat is just, oh. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.